Hi friends, good afternoon everyone. I am here to explain the mispronunciation words we are using everyday life. Indians are mostly using the mispronunciation words because English is not our native language. We are using in Telugu. So if we practice everyday English, we must use the English as foreigners, England, or any other countries. My friends, I was explaining about the mispronunciation words we are using in every day.
Good morning, one and all. This is Kumar. This is an episode for the pronunciation. Pronunciation plays a major role in our communication in our daily life. We are making some major mistakes in usually using words like poor, poverty, just like some things. My friend play a video for some words.
PronounceNames.com.
Poverty, poverty, poverty,
Do we have the correct pronunciation of your name?
poverty, poverty,
Okay, this we are coming. Sorry, we spell it as poverty, but this poverty and
poverty, poverty,
now here is a chart presentation. Some oftenly confusing words using by the students. Can anyone pronounce this word? Okay, well and good. This word ASTHMA. It's not an asthma, it is asthma. And the word MOGITO. MOJITO. Can anyone pronounce it correctly? It's not mojito, it's mojito. J should be pronounced as H. And here desert and desert. Can you say anyone the difference between desert and desert?
Desert is a place. Dessert is an ice cream or a dish.
Food after meeting,
Food.
somewhat sweets or something. Can anyone EPITOME? It is not an epitome, it's epitome. Epitome. And this is the chemical, the name of the chemical COBALT. Cobalt. It's not cobalt. Thank you.